Understanding. One of the habits of highly effective people identified by Stephen R. Covey in his best-selling book, The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People, is to seek to understand and to be understood. To seek to understand someone or something is one of the best things you can ever do. Understanding takes you beyond the surface and tries to get to the root of a matter, so as to have informed opinions on which to make the best decisions. It's been said that he who knows what to do will always be servant to he who knows why it should be done. Understanding seeks to answer the question, why? You must understand your boss' expectations of you. Your boss expects you to understand your job role even beyond that which is stated in your job description. You are expected to understand the organization's culture, the industry, the market, the customers. Your boss needs you to be able to advise on current trends and reasonably forecast future developments and the direction of the industry. As far as your boss is concerned, someone who understands the customer's needs is best poised to serve the customer excellently. The greater your understanding, the easier it is for your boss to relate with you, and the faster you are likely to rise to the career ladder. Bosses look for subordinates who understand them, their personality, their goals and vision for the unit, branch or organization as a whole, and the resultant pressure they have to deal with. According to Thomas Edison of Thomas International, everyone displays a level of dominance, influence, steadiness, and compliance in dealing with life's challenges. High expectations, work pressure, corporate goals and targets, and a strong sense of responsibility for the success of the team may lead most bosses to exhibit a high level of dominance. They need to establish strong command and control of the team in order to guarantee the team's achievement of corporate goals tends to make bosses seem brash and more unforgiving of poor performance. It has also been found that people who naturally tend to be goal-getters or target-driven achievers may seem to exhibit a high level of dominance. Understanding helps subordinates to appreciate their boss's actions better. Bosses actually have to attend to within the same period of time available to everyone else. This puts them under pressure and explains why they always want you to get straight to the point and out of their office in the shortest time possible. An understanding subordinate can give his boss the benefit of doubt when pressure leads to undue conflict. When pressure builds, an understanding subordinate says things like, "Oh, I understand why he snapped at me. All his deadlines are coming together at the same time." Subordinates must have an understanding of their boss's vision and where they're going. This will help them appreciate how their bosses see themselves and the expectations they have. You need to understand your boss' background and where he or she is coming from. It will help you appreciate their foundation and values. Most people have successfully defied failure in their early years, tend to have little tolerance for excuses and failure. Every person is unique and therefore has uniquely different set of likes and dislikes. You must understand your boss's likes and dislikes. Some bosses like to work late, others like to close early. Some bosses love to plan early, others love the adrenaline rush of meeting the deadline just in time. Some bosses like to be informed and expect constant feedback, while some others just want to know the result once the job is done. You must understand your boss's priorities. You may be asked to do many things, but you must understand which one your boss wants done first. And sometimes these priorities do change, so you must be able to distill what is most urgent at each point in time. If you take the time to observe your boss carefully, these personal nuances will become obvious to you. As long as it doesn't contradict your values, do what your boss likes and stay away from his or her dislikes. It ultimately pays you to have a good understanding of your boss's vision.